up, you guys? Hey, I'm Kaiden Johnson from Growing Up Garage, and today I've got a very special guest with me, and it is...
I'm Kyndal Johnson from Growing Up Garage.
And today, if you guys haven't been to one of our Growing Up Garage experience things, I would love if you guys can come down there because you can get your hands on and you can learn how to get your cars ready in real life, because obviously I do that a lot. So we're going to show you how to do that today in this video. And do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah, well, I'm going to be helping you guys with the engine, and Kaiden's going to be helping you guys with the tire.
So, are you ready, Ken?
Yeah. So this is the same engine in my mini door that I'm going to be helping you guys with. And this is the spark plug right here. You can see. So we're going to go ahead and take this off right here. It's kind of hard.
Oh gosh.
Oh, there we go.
See, I'm loosening that up. So this guys is a spark plug, by the way, that goes right there. And you want to show them how to put it on?
Yeah, sure. The spark plug runs with you in the engine. Let's put it back in.
Now use the tool.
Yeah.
Oh, it's already in.
No,
It is already tightened.
tighten it.
Okay, I think it's good. Stop doing it. Oh, there we go.
That's good. And then you want to put that back
No,
in?
I'm gonna put it on. Nice loud. Let's put this back in now. It's kind of hard.
Ready? Push. Go.
Make
There.
snap sound. And
Okay,
that's how you
so-
put the snark plug in the engine snark plug. Here, what do you want to teach everyone how to do?
Maybe I can teach them how to take the tire on and off. So let's do this. Okay, so I got my ratchet, I've got my extension, and then I've got my socket. And this is what I'm going to use to take the bolts off the tire. So first, I'm going to put that on there. It's way easier with the extension. So this is way faster when you guys see it. So here's one bolt. We got 3 to go. Okay, so that's 2 bolts down, 2 to go. And now, yep, anyway. That's 3 down, 1 to go. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the tire. It's off. Alright. Now you got the tire off. Now you put it on. So, I'm gonna do this. Eddie. Now I need some help. Okay, so Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and I had a lot of fun doing this. And on September 22nd, out in Cajon, they're gonna be doing a car show where you guys can come and use these boats. And you have fun, Kendall?
Very fun.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I think you had a lot of fun. And I thought I had so much fun. So good job putting on the time up. And I think that's all I got. Make sure you guys subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Do you want to end this?
Yes. See you guys later.